If your AC goes out during a heat wave, you can make a makeshift air conditioner using common household items. All you really need is a disposable cooler, a desktop fan, a container of oatmeal or similarly cylindrical receptacle, a handsaw or knife, a marker, and ice. On top of the cooler lid, trace a hole around the circumference of the fan with a Sharpie. Use a knife to carve a hole in the lid slightly smaller than the circle you drew. Cut off the closed end of the oatmeal container. Trace the opening onto the side of your cooler. Cut out the hole. Insert the cylinder. If your hole is too big, use duct tape to seal the gap. Fill the cooler with ice. Secure the fan over the hole in the lid and turn it on so that it's blowing downward into the cooler. And there you have it, DIY AC that's A-OK. I'm like freaking MacGyver over here.
Who's MacGyver?
See, MacGyver was a... And if you learned something there, please like and share.